Okay, hi everyone. Our third strategy we've learned to find equivalent fractions is using multiplication. So I'm going to do a couple of example problems showing this strategy. Okay, this problem says Adrian ate 1/4 of a cup of the ice cream. Find a fraction that is equivalent to 1/4. All right, step one, we're going to set up our fraction. 1/4 equals blank. As long as we multiply 1/4 times the same number on the top and the bottom, so we multiply 1/4 times the same number as the numerator and the denominator, we'll get an equivalent fraction. So I'm going to multiply 1/4 times 2 on the top, the numerator, and on the bottom, the denominator. 1 times 2 is 2. 4 times 2 is 8. So I can say 1/4 equals 2/8. The most important thing to remember is that you're multiplying by the same number on the top and the bottom. This question says find two fractions that are equivalent to 3/4. Okay, so I'm going to set up 3/4. And again, like my previous problem, I need to multiply the numerator and the denominator by the same number. Okay, I'm going to multiply my numerator. Let's see, I'll do times 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 4 times 3 is 12. So I can say 3/4 equals 9/12. That's one equivalent fraction. Now I'm going to find a second equivalent fraction. Okay, 3/4 equals blank. I already did times 3. Let me pick a different number. I'm going to multiply the top and the bottom by 5. 3 times 5 is 15. 4 times 5 is 20. I now have a second equivalent fraction to 3/4, 15/20. In this question, we are given a fraction 2/4, and now we need to find the missing numerator. So our question says find the missing numerator or denominator, in this case the numerator, to make these fractions equivalent. Okay, well if I am given a part of the second fraction, I need to figure out what was multiplied to get that answer. So I know, I'm thinking 4 times what equals 8. 4 times 2 equals 8. And again, the most important part is multiplying the same number. So if I multiply the denominator times 2, I have to multiply the numerator times 2. 2 times 2 is 4. So that missing numerator was 4. 2/4 is equal to 4/8. In this example, I'm given a fraction, and then either the numerator or the denominator is missing. Find the missing numerator or denominator to make these fractions equivalent, which means equal. Okay, so I'm given the denominator in this fraction. I need to think 4 times what is 12. I know 4 times 3 is 12. If I multiply the bottom, the denominator times 3, I have to multiply the top by that same number. 3 times 3 is 9. My missing numerator is 9. 3/4 is equal to 9/12. Okay, let's do our second example. 2/5 equals 6 blank. In this case, I need to find the missing denominator. So I'm thinking to myself, 2 times what equals 6? I know 2 times 3 equals 6. If I multiply the numerator, the top, times 3, I have to multiply the denominator times 3. 5 times 3 is 15. Okay, here is your bonus problem to try on your own.